So, hey everyone, welcome to the world of AI generated images. In recent years, there has been a rise in the websites that allow users to generate images using different AI models based on a given prompt or image. However, many of these websites have limited access or either limited number of tries, making it difficult for users to fully explore the potential of these models. Additionally, training an AI model can be time consuming and resource intensive process which not all users might have the capability to do. That's where this video comes in. So I have found a repository on the internet that allows users to generate unlimited amount of images using the Stable Diffusion AI model. Not any Stable Diffusion AI model, but you can use anything. But for this video, I'll use Stable Diffusion, all on their own computer without restrictions. And with this interface, user can be easily able to explore the possibilities of AI generated images without the need for any expensive resources or technical expertise apart from this video. So whether you're an artist, a designer, or just curious about the capabilities of AI, this repository and this video is the perfect tool for you to unleash the creativity and discover the endless possibilities of the AI generated images. So hey everyone, I'm Sundar Ishwar and this is Sundar's Tutorials, and let's get right into it. Okay, so now we are on my computer. This is the repository that I was talking about. So you can visit this repository using the link given in the description below. So once you go to this website, you can scroll down. You will see the screenshot of the web UI that we're going to be using. So this repository is nothing but a simple web UI which will allow us to access the different models that we're going to use and create images using those models. So this web UI would be an interface for us which we'll be using throughout the video. And now after this I'll teach you how to set up this UI. And so if you scroll down, there are the list of features of the UI. You can scroll down even more, there will be the installation guide for us. I'll be following the Windows installation because I'm using a Windows, but you can feel free to use the other ones if you are on Linux or on Mac, or yes, you can even use Google Colab if you want to use. But yes, as far as I know, Google Colab requires I don't know, I think a premium subscription in order to use this web UI, but feel free to check by yourself, or otherwise you can use any of the local installations. For now, I'll be using Windows. The first step would be Python, and it says Python 3.10.6, so we need to install this version only. Any other version would either lead to instability of the program, or maybe it will not just plain install. So right now the latest version is always 3.11.1. we need 3.10.6, so I'll just command F here and type it 3.10.6. it will take me there, and right now it's 64-bit Windows, so I'll just click here download. It will be downloaded in my computer. And other thing is we need to also install Git, so I'll click here. It will take me to the Git website, and you can see we'll use the 64-bit Windows setup, so that will also be downloaded. I have both of them installed in mine. If I click it, I think it will probably show that they have been already installed. Yes, but make sure to install it and use the correct options and make sure that it has been installed successfully. I'll skip this part as I already have been installing this. Okay, so back to our website. Once those both things have been installed, and yes, feel free to ask questions in your comment section, or feel free to reach me out on any of my handles if you face an issue installing these. The next step would always be, once you install Git, we need to clone this repository also. So we need to get the UI the local web UI files. So once you do this, just copy this. So we'll copy this link. We'll copy this and go to the terminal. For the sake of the video, I'll just be creating a dummy folder in my music folder, which I don't use. So we'll just paste it. It will be cloning that the folder into the repository into the specific folder. So yes, it has been done. If I click ls, it will be here, and if I go to stable diffusion, click ls, as you can see, the repository has been cloned here. So I'll close the terminal, and before we go further into the repository, the most important thing that we need to download right now is, of course, the AI model, the weights. So we'll click the dependencies here, and you can see various kind of dependencies. We have Python installed, Python and Git installed. We have the code, and now we need to just download this CKPT file. So if you go to the official download, this is the 1.4 version, but as far as I remember, there's also 2.0 has been released when this video has been created, but for the sake of the video I'll be using this. Just right click on the STV-1-4 CKPT file, just download it, save link as, and just save it to the music folder. It's a 4 GB file, so it might take some time. I'll skip to the part where it has finished downloading. Okay, so it's been a while. The model has been downloaded, so we'll go back to our repository and let's see what it says to do. I'll post the steps. Okay, so now it says to place this checkpoint in the models on stable diffusion directory. So what we're going to do is I'll open file manager, and the same model has been downloaded here. So we'll copy the model from here. We'll go into the stable diffusion. We'll go into the models folder, and as our model is stable diffusion, we'll go here and click paste here. It shouldn't take so much time. Okay, so now that's done. Now we can, it's simple. Now we're totally done. We can just go to stable diffusion WebUI back folder. So right now we need there's only one point that we need to complete is webui-user.batch file. So this would be a Windows batch file. So you can identify from using the type, or if you have the extensions the extension option enabled, you can see it will be .bat. So we'll use it, and make sure to not open this as administrator. Make sure that you use it as a normal user. I'll just click open. Now at the fast, it will create a virtual environment using the Python that we installed. It will take some time. This would probably would take between 20 to 30 minutes or even more, but please be stable. Everything will be everything will be installed by this script, so just hang on. I'll fast forward this part so you can enjoy the music until then. Okay, so the installation has been done. This has took a lot of time, but yes, this is only a one time. Next time when you start it wouldn't not take that much time for you. So I'll just copy this link. Now the UI has been used up, and if I scroll down, you can see if you go here near the stable diffusion checkpoint, you can see our model 1.4. You can add many models in that same folder and it will pop up here. So I'll select this. So there are multiple sample methods. You can always increase and decrease the steps. I'll show you. So this is the this would be the difference if you change the steps. It would be on the screen right now. So you need to also check the sampling method that you want, and you can also verify change the sampling steps according to your liking. For now, I'll just keep them as the default they are, and I'll just let's type it a lily in water with a depth of field. So I want a lily on the water, but I need with the background blur. So click generate. It will start making it. There's a progress bar here, you can see. And if you open the terminal, you can also see there's a progress bar here as well. And you can also see there'll be a time shown ETA on the tab, so you can track how much has been progressed. And right now, one more thing is right now it's using my NVIDIA GPU. So if I go to the task manager, you should be able to see it. Yes, so there you go. Right now it's using my NVIDIA GPU. I have a 1050 Ti. Right now it's using its compute power to create this image. So yes. Okay, so there you go. The image has been created. So it's a lily in the water with a depth of field. Let's say a monkey hiding by. Before doing that, I'll save this. We'll use it in a different scenario for the next one. I'll save this and let's click generate. So now again, if you see it on the terminal, there you go. If you see on the terminal, it's again process is happening. If I could open my task manager, you can see my GPU is again being utilized 100%. So yes, as it is using my GPU, the time would be basically dependent on the GPU. And here's a chart that the developers gave us to see how much time does it take to complete let's say to complete the generation of an image. So that's a normal chart. For me it's 10-50 hours, so it could take much time because my GPU is a very old generation. So yes, we typed a monkey riding a bike, we got one. So I'll also save this. Let's save this also. So the next method that we can use to create an image would be the image to image section. What it does, like you can upload an image. I'll just upload the image that we previously tried, which is a lily on the water. And what we want to do is, let's say I want to change the type of leaves. Let's give this interrupt and let's see if let's see what it does. Let's click generate. And again, there are also multiple steps that you can change. You can change the parameters. You can do anything. And let's see first what does the image come up with. Okay, so yeah, so I did try to change the type of leaves and it just wrote change leaves or something on the photo. Let's see, let's take different type of flowers. Let's click generate here. So yes, so the AI model, of course it's an AI model, it needs training, so it's not every time it's not accurate, but you can you need to specify the exact prompt, or you can also remove the prompt. Let's say if I write here green leaf, we'll do it after this image gets generated. So right now I have written like different type of flowers. Let's see if it comes up with a different flower than the one. It's similar to that, but it's type of different. So now there's also a spot called negative prompt. What it does, it removes let's say if I write green leaves, alright, and I'll keep the prompt as same, and I'll give the negative prompt as green leaves. So let's see if the image being generated does have any green leaves or not. The main point should be that if I write green leaves, there shouldn't be any leaves, like any green color leaves in the image. Let's see, let's wait 20 seconds and let's see if what does the image come. It did come up with leaves, but so I think we need to change the prompt, but okay, never mind. But you can always try, you can always change the parameters. Let's skip to the other one which I love is InPaint. So what does this do? Let's say I'll upload an image again. We'll use the monkey image, this one. So yes, so and now you can see my mouse is now not the one, like it's not a point, it's a like a mask paintbrush. Let's say what does this do? Like we can upload our own images, and if you want to edit a specific part, let's say I want to edit the monkey face. I want monkey to wear a sunglasses. Let's say I'll mark the face of the monkey. Let's mark it quickly. So yes, so now I told the model that this is the, I'll mask the model, mask it, and let's remove this. I'll write as monkey with sunglasses. So let's see if our AI model would be able to come up with able to repaint the image with a sunglasses monkey. Let's see, let it load. You can always, yes, again you can always change the methods that it's using. I have seen, for me it's Euler A or Euler have been working with the best for me, but yes, I think I need to select only mask. Oh, it's fine. Let's see what happens. There you go. It just repainted the part where I did the mask. It didn't change anything. If you want, you can, if this is fine. Also, one more thing is you can always alter the amount of, let's say you wanted 5 images of monkey. Let's click again generate. I have just raised the count to 5. Now it should create 5 images of like a different 5 images of a monkey wearing a sunglasses and riding a bike. So this would take a lot of time. If you open the terminal, you can see there are, until now it has been 16 steps or 20 steps, but as I raise the level, now it's 80 steps. So these are the per iterations, but the main progress is this one. We'll wait and I'll let this thing play out and stay silent. Okay, so I'll just minimize the current contour really bad. So yes, now I have 5 images with different type of sunglasses. Let's go one by one. So this is the collage that AI model automatically generate. First one was, okay, that's a weird type of sunglasses, but yeah, there you go. So now the AI has created 5 images of monkey wearing sunglasses. So yep, so you can use anything. You can either try to image, or you can text to image and create multiple iterations of anything. But yes, so that would be the basic demonstration, and feel free to use any models. I think in here there are multiple models that you could use here. Yeah, this you can use any type of model. There are also multiple models available on the internet through which you can add in the models folder and get the output from it. So yes, so I think that would be for our video, and thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in another video. Thank you everyone. Bye.